welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm doing a Valentine's makeup look. I literally thought of this look today and I just winged it and it turned out really nice, and I'm in love with this makeup. And since Valentine is coming, I hope this video inspires you guys to create something fun for Valentine's Day. This is very traditional, reds and pink and glitter. I think that's all I want to say for the intro, and let's just get started into the video. So I already have one eye completed, as you can see. This is what we're going to try to achieve today. I did a half cut crease with a gradient of shimmery colors, and then some glitter and a wing liner and some falsies. Okay, so first I'm going to prime my eyelids, and I'm using the Colourpop no filter concealer in the color medium 30. Then taking an e.l.f. flawless concealer brush, I'm going to blend that out. I'm gonna go into the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. Oh shoot. I'm taking my Morphe M441, applying a transition color here to the crease. And I want this look to look really blown out, so I'm gonna take it up pretty high with the transition color. Now I'm taking the Morphe M518, and I'm gonna go in with my Morphe 9N blush palette and taking the second color right there and putting that into my crease as well. And again, we want to take it up and have it really blown out. I'm going to take my Morphe R34 and dipping into my Modern Renaissance palette, taking the color Love Letter. I'm adding that to the outer corner and bringing it up halfway, and whatever's left is on the brush. I'm gonna drag it into the inner corners. That's what we have. I'm just gonna blend it out real quick. So after we have that, I'm going to take my e.l.f. eye crease brush, this really small brush, and dipping into Venetian Red from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. And putting it right here, like not all the way to the outer corner, but kind of like right here, and then dragging it to where our empty lid space is. And then taking my Morphe M321 and taking this brown color from the Jaclyn Hill palette, just gonna deepen up the outer corners a little, add some definition. Just going back in with the brush that I put Venetian Red on, and then going to redefine this color, and then taking Love Letter again on my R34 and stamp it right here and blend it. Now I'm going to take my concealer again, and I'm going to cut out the crease. And I'm doing that using my e.l.f. concealer brush. Okay, so now that I have my lid carved out, I'm going to take a e.l.f. concealer brush. This is this flat shader brush, And then I'm taking the second color from the Jaclyn Hill palette with some Fix Plus. And I'm going to put that in the inner corners. And then I'm just taking this flat shader brush again and taking Mercier from the Modern Renaissance palette and adding that on top with Fix Plus again. So we're adding this right next to the watercolor that we just put down, and I'm gonna blend it. And then for our last color, taking another e.l.f. brush, and I'm taking a rosy pink color from the Jaclyn Hill palette. Put it right here. So kind of blend it. I'm going back with my crease brush from e.l.f. Take a little bit of Venetian red. Apply that to here. So we can blend out the edges. So now for the glitter part, I am taking the NYX liquid crystal liner in the color Crystal Silver, and I'm just doing the exact same thing I did with this eye. You can even see it. Okay, now I'm gonna do my liner. I'm using the Inglot gel liner with my Sigma E6 brush. Okay, I messed up this eyeliner a little bit, but oh well. And then for lashes, I am using Visofree lashes. These are D106. They look like these. So for my face, I already primed with my SmashBox primer water, and also adding in my T-zone the SoapandGlory One Heck of a Blot primer. So for foundation, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte in the color 107 or in Fresh Beige. I'm just gonna apply that on the back of my hand. And taking my Morphe sponge, I'm just gonna apply this. So now my foundation is done. I'm taking the same Colourpop concealer and I'm going to conceal and highlight my face. I always leave my nose last because I want it to look really clean, like there's like a stripe of highlight, natural highlight going down our nose. So I always leave that to do last. You see how leaving it, like you can see the line more clearly, I guess. And now I'm gonna go ahead and cream contour a little bit with the LA Girls Pro Conceal concealer in the color Toffee. I'm just gonna do a little bit. To set the face, I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent powder. And after we set, I'm gonna let it sit for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then I'll be right back to finish up our under eyes and the rest of our face makeup. Okay, so I went ahead and dusted off my bake, and I also did my under eye. I took Love Letter and Vermeer and just smeared it on, and my inner corner is Vermeer, and also that's on my brow bone too. So for mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Just gonna put that on my under eye. Or my lower lashes. To bronze on my face, I'm using my Physician Formula Butter Bronzer again. I love this bronzer so much, especially with the combo of the LA Girl Concealer. It looks so good on top. Like, do you see it? And then I'm going to take this eyeshadow brush from the Modern Renaissance palette. I'm gonna contour my nose, like with the powder and the concealer. You can see that my nose is kind of like, already has like a shadow. So this is gonna add a little bit more definition. Taking the fluffy side with some more product and just blend those edges. Okay, so now that our nose is freaking snatched to the core, I'm gonna add a little bit more baking under my contour because I didn't do that earlier. And then I'm going into my 9M blush palette and taking like a rosy pink color. So probably the same color I used for my crease. Just gonna apply that. I'm gonna dust this away real quick. And add whatever's left on the blush brush to my nose. For our highlight, I'm using the Laura Geller highlighter in Charming Pink to tie in with our pink theme. I'm taking that on a Morphe M510. Ooh. I'm taking that on my temples a little. Down the bridge of my nose. And then I'm taking this really tiny eyeshadow brush and I'm adding it to my nose. I always do this because it makes my nose look like a cute little button, but it's actually not, you know what I mean? Just gonna blend that real quick. And then I'm gonna dust this wig away. Spray my face with some MAC Fix Plus. So for lips, I am using the Colourpop lippie stick in Rayezor. I think this was a limited edition. It was a collab with, I don't remember who it was a collab with. This was so long already. On top, I'm gonna take the Fenty Gloss Bomb. Add it on top. And then for our final step, I'm taking my setting spray, the Urban Decay De-Slick. I'm adding that on top. And that is it to this tutorial. I hope you guys had fun watching it as much as I did creating it. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching, and I hope you all have a happy Valentine's Day with your loved ones. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!